We focused? Yeah, cool. So A2. They've given us an energy of a system, which is beta over 2 times by the square of the velocity plus the square of the displacement. And they say that energy is constant here. Now, energy is constant is all that's saying is that the derivative of energy with respect to time is 0. So energy has no time dependency, so we know its derivative with respect to time must be 0. So the left-hand side, when derived by time, is 0. The right-hand side must be as well. So we can say with confidence that all this guff, all this bits and bobs, that all equals 0. Okay, and when we work through this differential, hopefully the simple harmonic equation should come out at the end. So, what we do, there's a long way around to do this, a short way to do this, and a fucking long way around to do this. We won't do the long way around. We'll do the relatively long way around. Okay, so we're gonna take out the brackets first, and we're gonna use this dot notation. I hope that's okay with everyone. It just makes it a bit cleaner, like that. So we know that's got no derivative, and that's the first derivative because we've got one dot above it each time. Okay, so beta and alpha we know are independent of time. We know that. We're not going to worry about differentiating them because we know the differential of them. It's going to be 0 anyway, so it'll cancel. What we really care about is these y's. Okay, so we've got product rule here. So we've got y dot times by y double dot plus, yeah, plus y double dot times by y. I hope that's all pretty explanatory. I hope that should make sense. So I'll just pop those in brackets and then bigger brackets around there. So we've differentiated this one, kept that one the same, times them together, and then done the reverse. Differentiated that one times by that one by keeping it the same. And we do the same with alpha here. So we have y dot times by y plus y times by y dot. Okay, and that equals 0. What's really quite pleasing now is we can, we know there's 2 of these guys, so we can just go beta y dot y double dot plus alpha times by y dot, and that equals 0. Okay, that's all pretty pleasing. Yeah, no, that's all pretty good. So let's take y dot out of the equation. We've got y dot on both sides, so we can factorise y dot. And we have beta y double dot plus alpha y equals 0. Let's divide by this velocity. Let's get rid of it, divide it. 0 divided by the velocity is just 0. So we have beta y double dot plus alpha y equals 0. Hopefully you see where this is going. If we divide by beta, we get y double dot plus alpha over beta y equals 0. Smashing. So all we've got here is, again, simple harmonic equation where omega squared is alpha over beta, meaning omega is the square root of alpha over beta. Smashing.